midwife before I came to United States. And then after I came to United States, I worked in the hospital and nursing home for a few years. And then finally I work in the home care nursing. That means I go to patients' homes to take care of the patients at their own home. So I love it because it's one-on-one care. So I can do everything that I can do for my patients. Yeah, that's my job now. Because my family members were sick, I was stressed to the point that I couldn't sleep well. After a few years not sleeping enough, all kinds of issues come up. I do my Qigong at home, which I was doing for more than 30 years. That usually helped. But because of the stress, and sometimes I was so tired that I even couldn't do it every day. And then I did take Chinese herb. That helped, but I just don't want to take too many herbs because of the side effects, and it's not convenient because I have to boil the herbs every day. Yeah, so my friend told me about Dr. Qi, and then in my experience actually, I took care of a little boy about 10 years ago. He's born with that he cannot do anything for himself. His mom and dad had to do everything for him. Even he couldn't eat. He had breathing problems, so every day he's struggling with breathing. And his mom had to take him to the hospital maybe a few times a year. And her mom told me and her son to do acupuncture. That's the first time I knew that acupuncture really helped, because after his mom took him to the acupuncturist once or twice a week, depends on his condition, and really that he's so much better. He had more energy, his breathing was better. He even need not to go to the hospital the whole year. That's how I know it worked. Well, because I do my own Qigong, I did my exercise, I took herbs, it still bothered me. I just so tired. So I told myself maybe I need to try the acupuncturist, and that really works. After the first time, it was not totally healed me. I was still tired, I was still not feeling good. I was still not sleeping well. But after a few times, I felt the difference. Yeah, I had more energy, I could sleep better. Even my back pain is much better. Yeah, when I was young, I never wanted to try it. My friend told me he could do it. For me, I refused. It sounds scary. Even heard about the needles put into my skin. So I never tried it when I was young. But when I saw my little patient, a little boy, he didn't cry when they put the needle to him, so I knew that, oh, I don't think it's that painful. So my own experience, most of the needles were not painful, but some of them were painful, but it's manageable. Yeah, I always told my friends and family. I always tell them to come. Okay. Dr. Qi, I can tell that she's very knowledgeable. Yeah, she's listening to questions. Yeah, and she's pretty good because I can feel that the way that she put the needles, and she really knew that what she was doing. She knew which area, which spot is good for what.